Interpreting the technical specifications for the Beckhoff EtherCAT terminal. EL2624. The EL2624 has a nominal voltage of 125 volt AC/30 volt DC. The load type of the EL2624 is ohmic. The ohmic switching current is 0.5 amp AC/2 amp DC per channel. The current consumption of the E-bus is typically 200 milliamps. The electrical isolation is 500 volts. The EL2624 weighs approximate 50 grams. The operating temperature range is -25 Celsius to 55 Celsius. The storage temperature range is -40 Celsius to 85 Celsius. This EtherCAT terminal is made out of polycarbonate. The dimensions of the terminal are 12 mm by 100 mm by 68 mm. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all EtherCAT terminal sales and replacements.